Hello everyone, welcome to GlobeTech Engineering Solutions YouTube channel. So today we'll see a command Thickened Cut from the SolidWorks. So open the SolidWorks. First we need a solid block or any solid part and a surface. So we'll create that. First I'll open the solid modeling and I'll create a sketch of a rectangle any dimension. So and we'll extrude that. Okay, so I'll give a dimension, any random dimension you can give, or if you have any particular part, so you can use that. Now I will extrude the rectangle. So now a block is created. Now after creating, now I have to create a surface on the solid model. So now I am going to choose this plane to create a surface. Now I'll create a spline on the surface. So after creating spline, we'll extrude that. So extrusion should pass through whole whatever the model. Okay, so from this side to that side, so it should be visible to select. Okay, now the extrusion is completed. Click OK. See, now the model is done, one surface model and solid model. Now select the thickened cut command from the surface. So after selecting, you need to select the option. So how much the surface or the offset distance should be. So also if you need symmetrical dimensions, you can select. So this is how you can create the thickened cut on a solid model. Okay, by using, you can use any different kind of models or a surface structures. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.